The lane watch feature in Honda Civic will make your life very easy. So this camera is the lane watch camera here in the mirror, and you can turn it on and off by pressing this button here, small button. When you press this, it will turn on, and you press again and it will turn off. Also, you can change the setting to signal. So go to the setting and camera. This is the lane watch camera, and show with the turn signal. Currently it's off. I will make it turn on. So now what happened, once you turn on the signal, and boom, this will turn on, and now you can easily watch what's on your right side. Also, you can use these features, display time after signal turn off. It will turn after 2 seconds. And also you can, reference line is the line which you will see here. These are the reference line, so you can turn it on and off. So I hope you like it.